recording with the Panasonic GX85. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. I'm recording in 4K 25 frames per second and I'm using a similar to Manfrotto port, Pixie port as my holding stick. I'm not holding the camera with my hand. I'm just using very small. I will just put the link in the description box below, guys. So this video is about the video quality. I'm recording in a video mode 4K, but I'm using the manual mode. I set the aperture to 3.5, which is the lowest you can get with the kit lens. Yes, I'm using the kit lens. And then I'm using 60 second the shutter speed. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, to be honest with you, it seems quite good to me, and it was me, Geek. And then this is I'm holding with the arm length 12 to 32 millimeter. I'm using on a 12 millimeter. This is my fully arm extend like this. You need to be the judge how good it is. It was me, Geek.